Your time start
So,
now.
Okay,
gentlemen, today our
gentlemen.
topic
Good
is
evening, gentlemen.
AIDS.
Today our topic is AIDS.
To discuss
I would like
the
to
topic
divide
AIDS,
our
breaking
topics
into
into
four
four
parts.
parts.
Number one,
First of all,
introduction.
its
Second is causes.
introduction.
Third is next
Second
and
of
last
its
is decision.
regions, and third of its
So let's
effects,
begin with the
and last of
introduction.
its
So,
solution. Let's start its introductions. AIDS regards AIDS full form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS spreads by HIV virus. HIV full form is human immunodeficiency virus.
Okay, stop.
HIV
मैं
are
दो
two
ग्रुप
types.
मैं दो ग्रुप बना रहा हूँ मैं दो ग्रुप बना रहा हूँ। एक ग्रुप ए है जिसमें कौन कौन है, ध्यान से सुनो। अवंतिका, स्वाति, हार्दिक, अरमान, और रजत। इनका ए ग्रुप है। पहले ए ग्रुप जीडी करेगा, बाकी सब देखेंगे ध्यान से, सिर्फ सुनेंगे ध्यान से, ठीक है। बाकी सबके माइक ऑफ हो। अवंतिका, स्वाति, हार्दिक, अरमान एंड रजत, माइक ऑन करो। बाकी सब ऑफ रखो माइक। पहले ये ग्रुप जीडी करेगा, बाकी सब लोग ध्यान से सिर्फ देखेंगे और ये सब लोग तालमेल करते हुए जीडी करेंगे। ग्रुप का माहौल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि एक दूसरे की बात समझ में आए। मच्छी खाना नहीं बनाना हमने यहाँ पे अभी। स्टार्ट।
So, gentlemen, today our topic is AIDS. I divided my topic in four parts. First of all, the introduction, causes, symptoms.
एक मिनट अरमान, देखो अरमान, भागने की जल्दी में तुम ये भूल जा रहे हो, ये माई टॉपिक है या आवर टॉपिक है? ये हम सबका टॉपिक है, एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन है। आवर टॉपिक इज जेंटलमैन एड्स। आप माई टॉपिक बोल रहे हो, तुम भाग।
सॉरी सर,
ना नहीं, सॉरी नहीं, इसी को समझो। ये दिखाता है कि यू आर अंडर प्रेशर, हमें कुछ बोलने की बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी है। या ठंडे दिमाग से आराम से बैठो, रिलैक्स से बैठो। हम इसकी 1000 बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, लेकिन एक तालमेल के साथ स्टार्ट करो। जल्दबाजी मत करो आगे निकलने की, जल्दबाजी मत करो आगे निकलने की। आराम से सुनो, समझो, फिर बोलो। स्टार्ट।
Gentlemen, our topic is AIDS, and I think we should divide our topic in four parts: introduction, causes, impact, and solution. Starting from its introduction. So, AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, which occurs from a virus named HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. So, if we talk about AIDS, so when it decreases our immune system, first of all, HIV means the virus which comes to our body from from the outside material. If we talk about, we will talk about it further. So it occurs from the HIV and it decreases our immune system, this much weak. So if we get any of disease which is little bit, so our immune system can't able to fight with that disease.
I'm
What do you
totally
think,
agree,
gentlemen?
as you said that this AIDS is occur from the HIV virus. So I would like to say something about this HIV virus. That this HIV is one of the virus which directly impact on the DNA. So it's this virus ruin the DNA part, and it's directly effect on the our white blood cells also. So because of that, our immunity system is impacted indirectly by the white blood cells. So yeah, because of
gentlemen.
this, many symptoms occur in the body, many changes occur in the body because of this WBC impact.
yes, Avantika, I agree with you.
We can add some
AIDS
points
spread
also,
fast to the
and
rural areas.
the virus can be transmitted through with infected blood and spread by unhealthy sexual relationship. And the India is on number third with 2.1 billion people. And what's your points of view, gentlemen?
Yes, Rajat,
Yeah,
I
Rajat,
agree
you
with you.
gave
I
a
want to add
nicely
some more
causes.
points.
So I think we should add few more points as you jumped over the causes regarding the AIDS. So if we talk about few of causes regarding the AIDS, so first we can say that sexual contact with any person who is already intimated with someone else. So it is the major cause for the AIDS. Normally it is seen. Now if we talk about another cause. Secondly, we can say using a needle more than once. As you have seen that doctors are using a particular needle at once times only. So second cause is the using of needles, as it is seen mostly in drugs addicts. Now, third, if we talk about, so it also occurs from a mother to its upcoming children, as from the line which is joins the mother and the children is placenta. And so whatever the mother thinks and whatever occurs to the mother, so the same feelings moves to the children. So it is the also cause for the AIDS. What do you think,
Yes,
gentlemen?
yes, Hardik, I agree with you. I want to add some more points in the causes of AIDS. That AIDS can spread through the certain body fluids like blood, semen, breast milk, and rectal fluid, and or also sharing the needles with the infected person, and by eating a food that has been pre-chewed by the infected person. And AIDS is spread fast to the rural areas, and every minute, 5 young people around the globe are infected with the AIDS. And the India has the largest number of AIDS patients, and there will be more than 2.1 million cases per year in India are infected with the AIDS. So, what's your opinion?
माइक को पास रखो, अपने माइक को पास रखो.
Exactly, I'm totally
कंटिन्यू.
sorry, sir.
आपको नहीं कह रहा, अरमान
Yes,
को
sir.
कह रहा
I'm
हूं.
totally agree with you, Arman, as you said. Sorry.
कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, Arman, as you said that some points you were added really well. So, the conclusion of this causes were like first is unprotected sexual intimation. The second is impure blood transmission. As Hardik said really well point that a needle, if we use a needle twice or more than twice, it will the impure blood will be causes of this AIDS. And the third point, which Hardik said, that the mother will the newborn baby gets this AIDS by her mother, by her or his mother. So that is, yeah, it's as I said one point, that it directly impact on the DNA, and because of the DNA, it will transmit to the child and to his or her child also. So yeah, these are the main causes because of this causes of this AIDS.
Stop.
So now I would like to go to the topic symptoms.
Stop.
So some symptoms.
स्टॉप स्टॉप. नीरज, अपना कैमरा ऑन करो भाई. कैमरा ऑफ क्यों तुम्हारा, नीरज का? नीरज बादल. चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सीलेंट. अभी इफेक्ट के ऊपर बात करेंगे. यही 5 लोग जो भी बोल रहे थे. स्वाति का शायद कनेक्शन वीक है. रजत, थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहो, ठीक है, मायूस मत हुआ कर. इफेक्ट के ऊपर बात करेंगे, ऐसे ही तालमेल के साथ इफेक्ट के ऊपर. टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ. इफेक्ट पे बात करो, चलो स्टार्ट.
Okay, so effect of this AIDS is like, as we can see in 2000, in the 20, it was really popular. It was really popular, or we can say it was really famous in the time of 90s. And at that time, almost 25 million people gets the death because of this AIDS virus only, AIDS HIV virus only. And there are two type of HIV 1 and 2, both leads to this AIDS. So yeah, because of this, many people gets our country's
अवंतिका,
health
रुको
growth is becoming
रुको रुको
low.
रुको. अवंतिका, इतना ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. 15-20 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड बोलो. उसके बाद
Yes, sir.
दूसरों को भी मौका दो ना बोलने का. हमें ये बात हमेशा ध्यान रखो. ये बात हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि जब आप खुद बोल रहे हैं तो दूसरों को भी मौका दो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? लंबा मत खींचा करो. कंटिन्यू. गुड इवनिंग. कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू. हाँ जी मैम, कैसे हो?
Okay, as I said that many people get there. That's because of this AIDS.
Okay, gentlemen.
Continue.
So
कहाँ पे?
if you have more idea, so you can share. Otherwise, we
Yes, Rajat.
we should move to
I,
the next point. And if you have, so you can say.
Yeah, Rajat,
Yes,
I am
Rajat.
agree with you,
will
Avantika,
try.
as you told us that in 90s this disease was really so much famous that more than the disease which was named at that time, that was AIDS only, because as we have seen that its effect is this much dangerous that the from 1st of December the day of AIDS has been made. So it was really a massive effect of AIDS. Now if we talk, a survey was done and its effect is found that near about 37.9 million people were suffering from AIDS, and out of them 25 million of the people has been died from the same disease AIDS. What do you think, gentlemen?
Okay, gentlemen. So let's move to its next point. The next point is AIDS prevention. The first point is a person having physical relation with only one person and use protection during sexual relationship. Do not use syringe needles used by a drug addict, and do not take blood of unknown person when blood is required, and take the investigated blood only. And what's your points of view, gentlemen?
Yes, Rajat, I would like to add one more point in it. So generally the question arises, is it safe to be with infected person? So answer to this question is very simple. Yes, it is very safe to be with infected person because this disease cannot spread by doing common activities like hugging, dry kissing, touching, sharing mobile phones, computers, water taps, and sharing same utensils, etc. So guys, what's your opinion?
Yes, Swati, I
Exactly,
agree with
Swati, as
you.
you
I want
said,
to
I
add some
want to
more
add
point.
some point that this AIDS cannot be spread by the touching and the like speaking. If we are directly contact with some person in a manner of sexual contact, it will spread by that. But we can use the term is protected sexual intimation will be the prevention for this AIDS. Yeah, one more point I want to add that the more aid is because of the lack of awareness. So yeah, we can spread awareness about it and it will be really good prevention for this AIDS.
Yes,
Yeah,
Yes,
Avantika,
Avantika, I
I'm
correct.
agree
agree
with
with
your
you that
statement.
the
So as
treatment
you
of the
told
AIDS
us,
should begin as soon as possible and after the diagnosis of HIV. The main
And
treatment of HIV is antiretroviral therapy. Antiretroviral therapy helps to keep HIV from progression to AIDS, and it also helps to reduce the risk of transmitting HIV to others. So, what's your opinion, gentlemen?
Next. Ask
yeah,
them.
Arman, I am
and
agree with your
we can
statement
add
as you
more
told
points
us
also,
few
and
nicely
maintain
points.
healthy
As
sexual
I think we
relationship
should add
and
few
obey
more
the
point as
doctor's
disposal
confusion,
needles. As you told us,
and
disposal needles
contact
should be used.
with AIDS
So
helpline
because if you will use the disposal
1097.
needle more
And
than
what's
once
your
or
view, gentlemen?
twice, so it is not legally. So disposal needle, if you are using disposal needle, so disposal needle is also a best prevention for the AIDS because these disposal needles are this type of needles which can't be used another time. So if we talk about second of its cause, so pure blood should be provided as we have seen that the blood which we went to take from the hospital, so this blood should be checked before taking. What do you think, gentlemen?
Okay.
Yes, I want to add one more point in it. You, as Avantika said, youth and responsible person of the society should show their greatest participation in the matter of awareness. Responsible person and the children, especially in the villages, should cast off hesitation and bashfulness from their nature so that they can make other people aware regarding this disease. So in this way, we can prevent this disease.
Yes, Swati, I agree with you. I want to add some more point that how can teenagers and youth can help in spreading awareness about HIV, so that by receiving the training on HIV and on a camp and motivate people towards their responsibility, so that they remain alert towards the problem of HIV and which is spread fast in our country. So, what's your opinion?
Yeah, man, I think this much prevention is more than sufficient. So I would like to say few more things regarding it. So if those persons who are already suffering from HIV and AIDS, these shouldn't be discriminated. Means these people shouldn't be taken as a separate part of our society, because as we know this thing that this disease and this virus cannot be transmitted from normal talking and from without sexual contact and a few blood relation, it can't be transmitted. So I think this much things are more than sufficient for the I moreover things are which I want to say is these people shouldn't be discriminated and these people shouldn't be made far from our society.
Exactly, I'm totally agree with you, Hardik. As you said, you really keep a good point that these people are not the separate part of our society. They are also a part of our society. So we should spread love and we should accept them as we accept all other people in our society. So all over, we conclude our topic really well. That yeah, we should took some prevention and being a citizen of a world, not a country, of a world. We should spread awareness about it, and yeah, this kind of disease can be prevent by some precaution and the prevention we said, and some awareness about it. So we already conclude our point, sir.
ठीक है.
Maybe sir is not here.
Okay, sir is here. Sir is here. Sir is here. ठीक है मैम, हम लोग फ्री होके बात करते हैं. हाँ जी, एक सेकंड होल्ड करो. वेरिएंट क्या थी मैडम? पाथफाइंडर. हाँ जी, पाथ. हाँ जी. हाँ सब कंप्लीट है मैम, सारा उसमें कंप्लीट, सारे सब्जेक्ट.